Hello children, welcome again in English class. Children, today we are going to start with English workbook. You must be having this kind of book. This is your English textbook and another book is there which looks like this only. But it is a thin book. So children, we will start with that book. Okay children? In that book the first chapter is what will you say. I am not having the book with me right now, so I am having the photo of that lesson. I will but you will do the work in your workbook. Okay children, the first chapter is what will you say. Okay, I have written the exercise here in my copy. Now I will start doing that exercise. What will you say? Lesson 1. There is a green box in which the options are given. Okay, these are the things that you use in your everyday conversation, and you will fill in the blanks with these words. First is, if I meet someone in the morning, I'll say. What will you say to him if you will meet someone in the morning? Good morning to him. Write down good morning to him. Okay. If it's my friend's birthday, I'll say happy birthday. All the options are given in the green box already. So children, you can find the spellings from there. Okay, happy birthday to her. If someone asks me to lend him something, I'll say here you are. Here you are, and give it to him. If I want to enter someone's room, I'll say may I come in, and then a question mark. May I come in. Fifth one is, if my classmate says hello to me, I'll say hello to her. As you can see, hello is given 2 times. In the bracket there is written 2 after hello, so you will use the hello for 2 times in this sentence. If I am late for school, I'll say I'm sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry, I am late. After school is over, I say to my friend, bye. See you soon. Bye. See you soon. When I meet people on the 1st of January, I say Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay children, this is all in the first lesson. Now we will do there is one rhyme also. In the first lesson there is one rhyme also. This rhyme is about using the words thank you and please. Hearts like doors will open with ease. 2 very little keys. And don't forget that 2 of these are thank you and please. You can learn this rhyme and use these 2 words thank you and please as often as you can. So children, we will start with the next lesson. That is lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is sounds of animals and objects. In this lesson, sounds are given in the sounds are given, and you have to find which of the sound is this, of which animal and which thing. First is we have to write the sounds of animals. First is write the sounds of the objects and animals. Both are there given here. So you have to find out which one is this. First is chuk chuk. Who says chuk chuk, children? The train. So it is already given in your book. Second is cluck cluck. Who says cluck cluck? That is a hen. Write down hen. Tick tock. It is the sound of clock. CLOCK, clock. Bang bang. Who says bang bang? That is hammer. Quack quack. Who says quack quack? Duck. DUCK. All the options are given in the green box already. Pitter patter. Pitter patter is the sound of rain. RAIN, rain. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom, it is the sound of motorcycle. And hiss hiss, it's the sound of snake. Okay children, you have to fill all the things in your book itself. Now musical instruments. Okay children, you have to find out which musical instrument is this and underline it and the sound of that musical instrument. First one is done in your book. Listen to my drum, bang bang bang. So musical instrument is drum and the sound is bang bang bang. Listen to my triangle. Triangle is the musical instrument and its sound is tang tang tang. Underline these words, triangle and tang tang tang. Listen to my trumpet, toot toot toot. So musical instrument is trumpet and its sound is toot toot toot. Listen to my tambourine, shoo shoo shoo. Underline the word tambourine and its sound is shoo shoo shoo. Okay, and these are the 2 lessons that you have to do in your book. Now some home assignment is also given, that is given in your textbook. From this book you have to write the poem The Little Plant and this drawing. First one drawing. Okay, make this drawing, draw and color this in your English literature copy. Okay, you have to write this poem and make this drawing in your English literature copy, and then in the last some activities given where you have to plant a seed in your garden. You can do that exercise at your home during your vacation time. Okay children.